In this video, I will explain why your Crontab scripts may not be working in Ubuntu and how you can fix them step by step. Let's get started. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard. Now, let me explain what Crontab is. Crontab is a tool that helps you schedule tasks or scripts to run automatically. But sometimes, even if your Crontab looks correct, your script might not run. There are a few common reasons for this. The first reason is a missing path. When you run a script manually in the terminal, it uses your full environment. But Crontab uses a very limited one. That means some commands might not be found. To fix this, you should add this line at the top of your Crontab file showing on the screen. This helps Crontab find your commands. The second reason is script permission. Your script must have the right permission to run. To fix this, use this command showing on the screen. The third reason is using the wrong script path. Crontab needs the full path of your script. You cannot use relative paths like /script. Instead, use something like this showing on the screen, /home/yourname/myscript.sh. To summarize, always use full paths in cron. Make sure your script has execute permission. Add the correct path at the top of the Crontab, and use logs to check what's going wrong. That's it. Now you know why Crontab scripts may not work and how to fix them. Thank you for watching this tutorial.